My father was Uachtaráin Murphy, he won an All-Ireland medal with Cork in 1945, and he instilled in me a love of the GAA. I started in 1976 with Cork. I was with Jimmy Barry Murphy, and Dennis Conroy from the County Board asked me if I was going to the championship game. The following day, Cork were playing Tipperary. I said I was. He said, "We've no doctor." I said, "Fine." And as they say, the rest is history. I'm still there. I've been involved with my club, UCC, since my days in college. So you could say GAA is really a big part of my life. It becomes a way of life. I just enjoy it. It was easier, I must say, when the back door wasn't there, but so far so good. Our big period would be October to February, and then we shut down until the championship in the summer. Winning the All-Ireland 2010 for the footballers was as big as it gets. I never saw a team work so hard to win anything, and it was a great thrill to be involved with them when they eventually got over the line.
Cork All-Ireland champions for the 7th time ever!
Cork hurling team in '99 with a young team of Jimmy Barry Murphy. It was a special day, and I suppose winning the double with Cork in 1990 was also very special, especially this second day when we won the football. With UCC, the biggest thrill I got was winning last year, Sigerson. I always associate these things with players, so I don't expect to be getting anything like this, and it's a great honour and very thrilled.